Let's go, let's go. Hello, fam. Okay. It's done. Let's put the cameras on. Okay, let me see your vibes. Let me see your energy. Let me feel you so we can start this call in the best way possible. You know, guys, I never start a call if I don't see the faces, if I don't see who I'm talking to. Like, at least I deserve to see it, you know? I deserve to see your smiles, to feel your energy, to feel your vibe, so I can give you the maximum and I can give the maximum to the new people who just joined us and who are today in this call, okay, in this initiation call. You all know, guys, so let's go. Raquel is giving the example, Hamzatu is giving the example. What about the others? Let's go, guys. Let's go. So, fam, you all know we are here today, okay? Let me start first by this, okay? This is what we call an initiation call. And this is happening, it's a special day. Why? Because this is the third week, okay? The end of the second week of March. You all know, guys, that March, okay, what does it represent? It's March Madness, guys. Let's put some fire in the chat for the March Madness. What I'm talking about this, because that's the third month of the year. This third month of the year, okay, this is the first quarter of your year, of your 2021. Are you taking control of your life? Are you making change in your life? Are you building the freedom you want? Are you working and are you going trying to chase your dreams? Yes or no? This is what's going to define. This is what March is defining. Okay, guys, if you're still not doing this, ask yourself, because this is 2021. It's going to go fast just like 2020. Okay, so ask yourself, guys, if you are here today in this call, means you took your life in charge, means you are here to build your freedom and to learn the skill of the 21st century, investment skill, a skill that can set you free in your life. Which type of freedom? Financial freedom, geographical freedom, and time freedom. Okay, guys, some fire in the chat for these three freedoms that this skill gave us. Okay, that this movement, that what we are doing, enable us to do. Okay, we are making a huge impact in the world by teaching the guys, by teaching the family, by teaching the world about the skill of the 21st century, teaching this with the best mentors, with the best academy, and with the best, okay, movement ever. So, guys, you all know we are, yes, part of an academy. We are part first of a big movement. Which movement? Evo movement. Okay, what is our movement about? For all the new people here, it's about three pillars. Okay, we are helping guys to evolve, to increase in three pillars in their life. First, the mindset. You're going to ask me why? Easy, because it all starts here and it all ends here. Okay, because it's the input that you put here that's going to give you the output in your life. Second pillar, the finances, the money. Why? By teaching the financial education, what Robert Kiyosaki talk about, the financial education that will put you with what? With the 5% of the population, that will put you in the other side of the quadrant cash flow, for the people who know what I'm talking about. Okay, third pillar, the experiences. Why? Because you are here belonging to a community of 400,000 people, 400,000 people all over the world. Canada, Portugal, Allemagne, Sweden, Australia, Mexico, Morocco, etc., etc. Okay, guys, and we are still exploring, we are still exploding all over the world. So how does it work? Easy. We are having a system. Let me go on my Telegram and let me show you this. Confirm to me that you can see my chat, guys. Good. Okay, awesome. When you come to our group, what do we have here? We have a pinned message, okay, for all the new people. When you go here, what do you have? You have our calendar. What's our calendar for? What's system for? System, easy, guys. I'm repeating this, I'm saying this, but take note of it because it's going to save you a lot of time in your life. Okay. System is save yourself time, energy, and money. What does it mean? Plug into the system, plug into the call, so you can increase, so you can take benefits of what? Of the speakers, of the people who have more experience, so you can ask your questions. Okay, four kind of call that we are doing. What's the mindset call? Easy, as I said, input output that you have in your life. Okay, work on what you have here so you can increase, so you can level up in all what you have in your life. Initiation call, like this kind of calls, okay, where you are initiating the new people who are entering our movement. Network vision call, this is a call for all the people who want to build an online business. And we all know what Mark Zuckerberg said this: if today, if in this century you don't have an online business, you are already out of business. I'm going to say it again because it's so much powerful. If in the 21st century you don't own, you don't have, you aren't building an online business, you are already putting yourself out of business. Okay. And the first code that we all love, it's the money time, the one happening tomorrow. Okay, with our masters, where we are all here trading, taking entries, making or securing the bag, and in the same time learning the skill and having fun, because this is what trading is about. Trading isn't something stressful that as we hear over all over. Okay, guys, That's first the calendar. Then what do you still have in the pinned message? First, you have a link. When you click on this link, you all know it's going to take or to plug this calendar automatically to your Google Calendar. Okay. Then you have our YouTube channel. What is it for? It's for all the people who are walking. Because you know, guys, this vehicle, what we are doing, is not for the people who are doing nothing in their life. No, it's for people who are students, who are studying. It's for people who are employees. It's for people who want to build something for themselves, who want to set themselves free, who want to work part-time on something while they are doing their full-time job or while they are studying in the same time. That's why we are having a YouTube channel. If you can't attend one of the calls, of course, because attending a call, it means what? Interacting with the speaker, interacting with the community. If you can't attend, you have all the calls that are recorded in our private channel. Okay. Then investment fast start. That's guys like the Bible. You know the Bible. It's this. The Bible in investment. It's the fast start. And by the way, there has been a lot of updates. Okay, a lot of news. I'm going to check this with you after. And then you have the IBO fast start for building the business. And of course, guys, the three pillar: mindset, money, experiences. That's what our movement is about. Up to now, it's clear, guys. Tell me in the chat if we can move on. Good. Sorry. Amazing. Let's go. Let's carry on. So let's start first by the IBO or by the investment fast start. Okay, I'm going to share again my screen. You can see, I guess, right? All right, let's go. So what do we have in this investment fast start? Of course, this is a 72 hours fast start for all the people who are starting with us, okay, to make you or to help you launch in the best way possible, okay, to help you have all the basics that you need to make it happen in this journey of trading that you are starting, okay. First, what do you have? The day one, you all know, it's the welcoming to what? The welcoming to our community, to welcoming to our academy, and the welcoming to our system, okay. Then here you have the apps and the groups that you have to join. Make sure, guys, that you are in these apps, in these channels, okay, so you can't miss all the information, all the updates that your educators will send to you. Day two, what do you have? You know everything about what HFX, Forex, the difference, okay? The four elements that you need to be operational, and the money management. And then what do we have? IQ option, that's something I'm going to go on it and talk about it today. Then J3, what do you have? All the foundations and all the basics that you need to know, okay, including what I call the journaling and the compound, something mandatory for your trading, okay. And here you have the HFX calendar. I'm going to come back to it after. And of course, the compound, journaling compound, that's something mandatory for you guys, okay. And at the end, of course, we are setting our mind right, because this is not just about investment, this is about mindset also, okay, guys. That being said, let's go to let's move to up to now. It's good. Please, guys, tell me in the chat, for all the people who are new, do you have a question according to the fast start? Do you have something that you want me to clarify while you were doing your lunch with the person who was helping you? Do you have a question according to the journaling, the compound, something that I have to take into consideration now? Or it's all good? If it's all good, put someone in the chat if it's all good for you guys. If it's all good and I can carry on, put someone's in the chat. Okay, amazing. Good, awesome. So then let's go to our academy. Okay, let me access so we can see where do we learn this financial literacy, guys. Okay. Here is it. Let's go. Okay, amazing. So where are you going to learn the skill? Where are you going to learn the skill? You have here, guys, you have a platform, okay, our academy, where you will learn everything with the educators. Who are these educators? The professionals. Let me start first with what? The first service or the first component we have, academies. What's academies? You all know that you need to have a theory part, if I can say this in this way, okay? What's the theory part? If you come here in the academies and you click on HFX, okay, you are going to have everything you need to make it happen in this market, okay, from A to Z, from beginner to advanced experts in trading, okay. You need no background, you need no prerequisite, guys, okay. What do I mean by this? You have everything, like what is HFX, what is traded, the market participant, what is the brokers, and going to what? To the indicators, to everything you need about the emotional part, etc., etc. And now what is amazing, guys, about what we are doing is that you are not just here learning a skill. You are not just here having theory part. No, you are learning and at the same time you are earning. Okay, guys, you are learning and same time you are earning. How do we do this? Thanks to what? Thanks to the Go Live. You all know by now that coming to the Go Live in this service, you're going to have what? First of all, you have here this available for you. Check, guys, with me the value, how it's huge. You have it available in like more than 20 languages. If you're speaking English, French, Arabic, Mandarin, Spanish, Portuguese, you can make it happen. Okay, guys, let's take, for example, English, because I know that most of you here, I see the names, okay, they are launched first in the HFX market, right? What do we have in the English part? What do we have here? We have the educators, okay? You know, guys, that by now you have like a lot of markets, okay? You are starting by the HFX and you have around like 120 educators in all the markets. What the markets I'm talking about? First here, FRX, it's standing for what? The Forex market, okay? HFX, standing for the HFX market, the binary option that you are starting with, okay? DCX, that's for the crypto market, and SCX, that's for e-commerce. The idea, guys, is to you start first by a market, okay, to launch yourself first by a market, to develop a first income from a market, and then go to the other one, and then go to the third one, and it's going, okay? So how does it work? Let's say, for example, in the HFX, let me go here, let me click on HFX. HFX, once I click here, what do I have? I have a calendar. Let me check if there is a question. Okay, amazing. I have a calendar. What's this calendar for? It's the calendar of all the educators that you have in the HFX, okay, from Sunday, the opening of the market, to Friday. Okay, that, guys, with all their timings, with all their time zones. Who do we have here? Millie Means, Dani Lopez, Christian Lopez. What I'm going to do, guys, today is I'm going to bring to you or share with you the new educators that was let's say yes, some 7 in the chat, because we have new educators, guys, today's, okay, new value, it never stops. Every day we have like new educators here to share the value and to help you make it happen. So I'm going to drop for you guys the new educators, and I'm going to advise you the recommended educators to start with. Okay, so guys, you see the value and you see that you can make it happen, because either you are working in the morning, either you are working in the after or in the evening, you have educators that are giving go lives in the whole day. Okay, take note of these, guys, for the people who are based in Morocco. Okay, for the people who are based in Morocco, you know that you are using IQ option, and for example, for IQ option, you don't have the rollover option, right? So I advise you, if you don't have in your broker the rollover option, I'm going to go after the broker and explain to you this. I advise you to go to with Daniel Lopez, okay? He don't use rollover. Daniel Lopez, Christian Lopez, Jonathan Nunez, okay? Who else? Tyler Max and Matthew Taylor and Evan Cabral. I'm going to say them one more time, guys. You have here Daniel Lopez, Christian Lopez, Jonathan Nunez, okay? Tyler Max, Matthew Taylor, and Evan Cabral. Those are for those who have a broker with no rollover. Okay, guys. Now, if you are a beginner, I'm still advising, I'm still recommending the same educators, and add to this what? Millie Mills and Dealwoods. All right, guys. So now let me explain to you, or let us check together, how does a go live, or how does it work with an educator? What does it mean that we go live with an educator and that we are able to learn and to earn in the same time? Easy. First, I'm going to go here and to check. This first educator, these 5 educators that you have here, is those who are the most like top featured in this week. Okay, check with me, guys. Like here you have Millie, 219 097 views. Check the numbers, guys. Do you think that these people who are here watching this educator that are just here chilling like with no reason, means something is happening there, guys? Matthew Taylor, same thing, means something is happening there, guys. Okay, let me check what do we have with Matthew Taylor. Okay, let's go here. So how does it work? Go live, easy. Let's suppose that Matthew is now live. Okay, you have here a chat, guys. I want you to all be focused with me, okay, especially the new ones in this part, and also those who have been with us like for a time, to be sure that you are doing the things in the right way. We are always following the chat, okay? I'm always following the information given in the chat. What does it mean? If I'm going to have Matthew Taylor live now, he's going to give me 4 elements, okay? Something that you studied in your fast chart. For example, saying what? Euro USD. 3 minutes. Buy at 435. 4 components he's given me, okay, in the chat. That's what I'm going to copy and paste, and I'm going to apply to my broker. Is this clear, guys? Is this clear for you? For the people who are going live in the go live, is this clear? Are you finding something that you want me to answer to, or it's all good for you? Let's do better, guys. Let's take an entry together. Do you want me to do this? Go on IQ option and try to take an entry and show you. We do this. Yes, I want to make this, so I'm going to do this. Let's go for it. Okay, let's suppose this is my IQ option. I'm having it here. Okay, guys, let's suppose I have Machu Tayo who is live now. Okay, just to explain to you guys, what do we have here? If you check with me, this is a broker. The broker we are using, if you are, for example, based in Morocco, if you are based somewhere else, you are using, for example, IQ7. But just understand, guys, all the brokers have like the same options that you are using. Okay, first thing you are going to find is in the top, the currencies. Okay, let me go, for example, here and check. What do I have? For example, Euro USD. All clear for everybody. I'm selecting Euro USD here. Okay, right? Then what do I have here? I have here like some kind of options, some parameters for my broker. Okay, this is the candle, to put it in candle or in line, the chart type. Okay, this is the candle time period. I also always advise 2 minutes. Okay, here you have some indicators and it goes on. That's just some parameters, not something too much interesting for you for now. Okay, now let's go here. What's important for me? The time that I'm putting. Let's say I am with Machu Tayo. For those who go in the sessions of Machu Tayo as I do, okay, you know that he always give entries with 3 minutes time period. Okay, it means what? I'm going to select the third time, the third horloge. Okay, then I have here what? The amounts I'm going to invest. That's something that I define thanks to what? Thanks to my money management. Okay, I have my bank, I have my money management, I have my risk per trade, and that's what I'm putting here. Here I have my payout. Here it's about 73%. Green button, it's a call. Okay, c'est un achat. A red button, c'est un put, c'est une vente. Easy. And this is the last information. What? The entry price. For information I have. Check with me here. I have Machu Tayo, which is live, who is live now. Euro USD. I went to what? I went to Euro USD. Here, bam, I select it. Okay. Then he give me what? 3 minutes. I go to my horloge here. I put 3 minutes, the third one. This is not fixed time, okay? Then he give me a buy and he give me the entry price. Buy, what does it mean? Buy, it's the green button. It's a call. I know that I'm going to click here. And last information, 435, for example, he's giving me the entry price. Okay, I'm going to check here for the 435. Just so you know, guys, let me put this alert here so I can explain to you this. 435, it's here. Bam. 435 is here. I can put an alert in IQ option for those who have the habit to use it, and I can put it here like this. What does it mean giving me an entry at 435, guys? It means that always the educator is going to give you the 3 last numbers. Let me take here. I can't find this small pen to show you, but that's it. For example, 1 plus 19, 303. Means that the educator is going to call for the 303. Here I'm at 1 plus 19, 365. Means that the educator is going to call for the 365. So if I'm here, I'm going to put the sell or the buy. Guys, it is clear for everybody, because I get some questions from the guys who aren't using the IQ option in the best way. So I want to make sure that it's clear for everybody. For information I'm getting, the currency, the time, the entry price, and the action to do, buy or sell. Easy. I have to wait for the price that is given by my educator, so I can press the buy or the sell button. Then there is the idea of, yes, I want to sell high and buy low. That's something we can see tomorrow in the money time that we are doing, and that you can ask our masters for this. But it's something that we do in the lunch with you. Okay, guys, let's carry on. Let me check and let me go to who? Let me go to Millie Mills, for example. Same thing. What do I have? If I have Millie Mills who is live now, I will have, like, check, guys. She was live like today. Yes, just today at 5 p.m. And she was given an entry. EuroCAD 1 minute sell and time off price time 870. 4 components, guys. It was live today. Okay. Now let's suppose that my educators, because As you are a beginner, guys, I always advise to choose two educators. And I'm going to come after to the study plan and to the new educators that I'm going to advise you. Let's suppose that you were studying, you were working, and you couldn't like attend a session of Milli Mills. What does it mean? I have here, guys, all the recorded sessions. You have here all the recorded sessions. Means no excuses for you to learn. And I always advise to you to go to the favorite sessions and go down. Why? Because you're going to find the educators naming the training for you, basic training. Here, Macho Tayo, what do we have? And that's something I'm going to share with you in my study plan. That's something that I use personally for my trades. New cash trap explanation. He is literally explaining everything about his strategy here, about the cash trap here in 15 minutes, guys. Okay, if you couldn't make it to this session, you have everything recorded. You have all the sessions recorded. Amazing. So guys, before coming to the chat and coming to your questions, I want to share with you the study plan to follow. What's the study? I'm going to go to the fast stars and open the new calendar, HFX. I click here. When you click here, you are going to have like an Excel. Okay, open it, and I'm going to show you right now what's the changes that have been occurred. Let me go here. Let's go. Okay, what do we have here? That's the big news, guys. We are having new educators. It never stops. Okay, for those who didn't notice, we are having Tyler Max, okay, who is using the same strategy as Macho Tyre. That's something really huge. I've been in his session like Sunday night and it was amazing. Okay, guys. So what do we have here? The study plan is easy. For you who is a beginner with us, what are you going to do? You are going to choose two educators that fit your calendar, that fit your agenda, and that will be the educators you are going to go live with. And plus this, you are going to start choosing one of the strategies of the academy, which is what? Which is the hourglass. Guys, this strategy is really rocking. You are going to see tomorrow in the money time. Hourglass of Macho Tayer, and I do what? I choose two educators that I'm going to follow and that I'm going to go with in the go lives. What do I have here? Here you have literally everything there for you. All the calendar that you have in the academy, you have it here in GMT plus one. The change, guys, is that Eastern in America, they went like 1 hour less. So now it's, for example, if you were used to go with midi mids at 6, now it's at 5. Okay, guys, take note of this because now we are like 1 hour less. For those who go with Macho Tire, like Friday at 7:30, now it's at 6:30, 1 hour less. All right, amazing. So that's being said for the calendar, for the new educator that I want to share with you. Tell me in the chat if you have some questions so I can answer it before I can move on. I'm going to go back here to the academy and then answer your questions. Let me check. Okay, what do we have here? Yes, Halima. What does it mean fixed time? Easy, Halima. When you go with some educators, sometimes some will tell you that they are taking entries in 3 minutes, you know, calling for 3 minutes. But some will use fixed time, some will not use fixed time, you know, like it's 3 minutes and few seconds. Like you in IQ option, you are never trading in fixed time, just so you know. We who are using IQ option based in Morocco, you aren't trading in fixed time. And that's something good. Okay. Then what do we have? Fixed time means if she gives 3 minutes. Okay, Hamza is saying new educator, Tyler Max, exactly, and Hourglass who is rocking. Amazing. So guys, let's go down a little bit and share with you something as we have here. You all know for now, okay? Guys, I'm going to ask you this question. Who for now have seen all these sessions who are available here of Bob Proctor? Who have been studying all this? Be honest, not with me. Be honest with yourself, guys. Who have been studying all this? Be sincere with yourself. Tell me in the chat. Who have been studying all this? Okay. Okay, amazing. Who is studying the MMX also? You know, guys, I'm studying the MMX. That's something huge. That's like next level with Bob Proctor, you know? That's amazing, guys. Just so you know, and to stress enough, I will never stress enough on the mindset part. That's something important if you want to increase your finances, if you want to increase your life, you have to increase your mindset. It goes from here. You all know, guys, that success is like 80% mindset and 20% skills and strategies. So that being said, guys, I shared with you the new educators. Okay, I shared with you the new time zones like that are uploaded in the fast chart, and I shared it to the study plan that you have to follow. Study plan easy, because I see a lot of people lost. No, study plan, I have two educators of Go Live, and I'm using one of the strategies of the academy. In the academy you have like around 15 strategies, but start by using one, which is the hourglass. What is the strategy? It's easy. It's something that once you learn it with your educator, you can start using it by yourself without waiting for the educator, without waiting for the Go Live. Hourglass today, if you want how to master it, you can use it by yourself. Okay, how can I learn it? You go on Match Your session, recorded session, and you learn what, how to learn, or what's the Kashrab explanation. All right, guys, tell me if you still have a question. I'm waiting. I'm like going to open 5 minutes for the questions, and then we are going to, or I'm going to see you in the other call. If it's all right, put some like this, or put some like ones in the chat, so I can know that the information. Okay, amazing. I see some faces. Okay, amazing, amazing. So that being said, guys, you all know that this is amazing to be in an initiation call. This is amazing to be in a network call. But it's more amazing to be in a mindset call, okay? To be sure that you are setting the right mindset you want, okay? Guys, this is Monday. I have seen a little bit of the mindset call that Hamza is preparing. This is huge. You are going to go out from this call being a new other person. So just see you in the other call, and let's go, guys. See you. Bye.